It's 5:05 and we are just hitting the trailhead. We're hoping to be at the summit by 10 or 10:30.
10 a.m. is the goal, and hopefully we get some good weather. Hopefully Zeus doesn't bring
Rain
the thunder
down
and
on
lightning.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah, clear skies right now, but wish us luck.
Part of this climb makes me feel like we're back in Colorado. Similar looking mountains, except in Colorado we didn't have the throne of Zeus up there or the meeting place of the 12 gods over there.
We're also hiking on the E4 trail, which is a trail that connects 16 countries.
Definitely got some clouds over here. Hopefully they go away before we get to the summit. To the top of Mount Scala, which is a peak on Mount Olympus. It's not the highest peak. That's about 300 feet up there.
Down there.
And then up there. The clouds came in. We don't know if thunder and lightning's coming.
And there's snow on the trail. Somebody warned us not to go to the peak if there's snow or ice or the rocks are wet, because it's a bit of a scramble to get up there. So
it's a little sketchy, and
we decided to play it safe.
Who's it coming? Hey buddy, hey buddy, yeah. Oh, he's going for the bird. Get it, get it.
You don't wanna be lonely, ain't that everybody?
Well, after climbing Mount Olympus yesterday, this is where we ended up today. So yesterday we were at about 9,400 feet above sea level. Now we're in the GNC. We were right up there.
So the last 3 days we have mountain biked, rock climbed, and then climbed Mount Olympus. I think we deserve this.
peanut butter all day. So we got a big platter of food. Let's start here. Bit of sauce. What else? French fry. The flavor on the ground meat is so good.
All right, so we got a couple of treats from a bakery after we had our meal. So the first one I'm gonna try is this guy. It's heavy. I think that it might be filled with honey or soaked in honey. Oh my gosh.
Is that all honey?
Did you see that?
Oh. Give me the other half.
No.
Holy shit. That's too much honey.
And you sick of Mary, say she don't agree with Charlie. You don't wanna be lonely.